Hello, 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 family, and this is day 4 of virtual learning, and I didn't show you yet, but I'm going to go over it. This part I did show you. So this is our monthly meal plan with the breakfast, lunch, and dinners. And then I'll show you this, but this is my 9-year-old's virtual learning schedule. And so we are about right here in the schedule. And so she'll have lunch and free time at 12:30, but I will be on a work conference call at 12:30. So I think we're finally kind of getting the flow of this thing. So she's going to have ravioli, fruit, some cut up cucumbers, and some kind of snack in her little dolphin snack pack. And that will be her lunch today. And so, yep, day 4. And this is how we're prepping the meals. Okay, so here's the finished lunch. She's having ravioli with buttered bread. For fruit, she has strawberries and grapes. And then she has sliced cucumbers. For her sweet treat, she has a couple of gummy lifesavers. Some gummy lifesavers. And to drink a bottle of water. And so it is 12:27 on the schedule. She has lunch at 12:30. So it's only 3 minutes early. I'm going to go ahead and give her her lunch so that I can log on to my conference call, which starts in 3 minutes. But we're doing good with our schedule. So happy right now. What you think about lunch?
It looks not normal.
What you mean it looks?
It looks normal, but it looks.
It look a little fancy?
Yes, very fancy. A bowl on a plate with fruit on the side, and my pet dolphin.
You think you're gonna enjoy it though?
Yeah.
Cool. All right.
This bread.
Huh?
I like this bread.
You like that bread? Good. I'll buy some more. All right. Okay, so here we go. Here's lunch for today. Today we have a fruit salad. It has oranges, bananas, and grapes. She has celery sticks that I cut up. Her ranch dip. These are stuffed Oreos, so it's Friday, so her sweet treat is her main lunch. And then she's going to have some goldfish crackers with it. And that is today's lunch. Alright, so this is lunch. I forgot to show her a bottle of water. So there we go. I'm thinking I may need to add like some meat to go with this, but it's a healthy treat. She doesn't have protein, but she has fruit and she has vegetables, so we're going to go with that today. Okay, so today's lunch, she has hot dogs on whole wheat bread, celery, sliced cucumbers with ranch dipping sauce, sliced pears, and kiwi. And that's what she's having with a bottle of water. And then I'm going to get her some goldfish crackers for her treat. And
Okay.
that's it. Okay, so today's lunch is buttered bread, macaroni and cheese, kiwi, ranch dip, and celery sticks. And for her sweet treat, she has Pocky sticks.
Yay!
Chocolate Pocky sticks. She loves those.
I think that instead of giving me the regular chocolate ones, you should give me the rest of this with some cream.
So this is her lunch for today.
So
Okay.
So for today's lunch, I have a burger, some dumplings,
Pot stickers.
oranges, goldfish, carrots, chips, and what is this
Shrimp
one?
toast.
Shrimp toast.
And her dip is in a refrigerator, so we're going to get her dip and her bottle of water. And that is today's lunch.